Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon.
Please, I want to wash. Yeah, so this is my Ishiago. Please. Wash it. I beg you, say I don't play with this my Ishiago.
No worry, I'll make it perfect.
So when is it going to be ready?
Tomorrow by 12 o'clock tomorrow.
Tomorrow by 12 o'clock.
Yes,
please
sir.
wash and wear well. Beg you.
Men are bet Naija. Let me keep it straight for him. I don't want wahala.
Nana. So obvious. Which are this?
Who they call me?
Hello? Hello, Mazi. Where you dey? You remember that ticket where that madman give us one day? You don't cash out.
What? That ticket with the madman give us? You don't enter! That lie! I said that lie! You don't enter! That lie! That lie! I beg don't vex. That my clothes, where is it? Please, there's something important.
I don't put enter washing machine now.
You don't enter washing machine?
What's happen?
Oh shit! Oh,
I don't see happen now.
Oh, Jesus. I wanna no more. Child. So washing machine na wapi alaya. Washing machine na wapi ala no 60 million no more. Child. Wetin I go do? Hey! Ejide no mo la lo were ploti bag la lo were. Child. Wetin I go do? Madam, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Is my clothes ready?
Yes, sir. All right, sir.
Thank you. I hope you work it very, very well.
Very good.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Wait. Only got no perfume on you.
I don't understand what you mean. What do you say?
I saw something like ticket on your pocket.
Ticket?
Yes, sir. It's like, I don't know what it is.
My 60 million naira!
60 million!
Oh my God! My 60 million naira! Oh my God!
I'm not put a pass in my eye. Love the money to run. Anyway, you go. Because I got the money to run.